Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, we doing a quick video this morning of something I actually love. Can't believe I never shared it with y'all. It's so easy, so simple. Old school cheese Danish. Very simple, very easy, y'all. All it is cream cheese with a little lemon zest in it. We're gonna bake it in some puff pastry and put a little glaze on top. Man, y'all know them ones you used to get in the vending machines back in the day. I guess you can still get them, but not like the fresh one. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the filling. Get this puff pastry out the way here. Matter of fact, make sure it's thawed out. I did leave it out on the counter. Oh yeah, it's good to go there. We'll get to that here in a second. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make the filling for this. All right, let me get my find my rubber spatula here. I thought I was organized. Chef Jeffrey ain't never organized. You know, I always got the haters. So anyway, I got some room temperature cream cheese here. I'm gonna put in here. We're gonna mix this with the mixer, y'all, with the hand mixer. Got a little cream cheese. Make sure it's room temperature. I got an egg yolk. Make sure it's room temperature. And we're going to save the egg white for the egg wash later on in just a second here. A little vanilla. A little lemon zest there. You can use orange zest too for this. You can make your orange cream cheese. You know, orange go good with cream cheese. All right, let me find my mixer here. Plug this up here. All we're gonna do is just mix this up a little till it's smooth. Oh, another thing I forgot to add. Gotta be sweet, huh? Can't be a muffin when we're gonna put about three tablespoons of sugar in here. Not tablespoons, teaspoons of sugar. Almost got my sugar, y'all. There we go. How easy was that filling, huh? How easy was that? Get this out the way. Mix it around there. Make sure it's nice and smooth, which it is. That's going to be our filling. How easy was that, huh? Okay. Now, I'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. All right, y'all. Let's get the dough going here. Gonna set this one right here aside. Oh, we got some puff pastry right here, y'all. Make sure it's thawed out. If it's not thawed out, it's kind of crack on you. So make sure it's kind of thawed out. Let's put a little flour on my board here. And roll this out just a little more. Just a little more, y'all. We're going to get 4 pieces out of each sheet. Come on, Chef Jeffrey. Get as even as I can here. All right. We're going to go 1. You don't have to be perfect. Just like that. Now we're gonna get our egg wash here. Let me find my brush. We're gonna kind of egg wash the edges of this. It's gonna be the glue for this. You wanna do this before you put your filling in there. All right, now what we're gonna do? We're gonna fold it in just like this. Gonna leave a little inside for the filling to go. See that? These ain't gonna be perfect, y'all. Like I said, we ain't looking for perfection here. We're looking for goodness. We're looking for goodness. Push that down right there. Just like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. Like I say, we want to make a little. Get down now. Get down now. Put a little bit more egg wash on here, y'all. Okay. Push this down like this. Now, we're going to egg wash it again before we put our filling, because if you don't, you're going to have a little mess, y'all. You don't want your filling all inside your wow, look at that egg white. Egg white going everywhere there, y'all. There we go. Come off of that. Okay. Get that mixed up. Now, what we're going to do now, we're going to come back with our filling. Where's my filling at? Your little scoop there. You're going to scoop it right in the middle. You don't want to put too much because it's going to spread a little. And what I should have done, y'all, don't do like I did. Do this on the pan so you ain't got to try to pick this up later like I'm about to have to do right now. Make sure you do it on your sheet pan already so you don't have to try to pick them up later on. And you be done messed them up. Alright, I got 4 right there. I'm going to step off, do the other 4, other sheet, and we'll be right back, and we'll get them in the oven. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, 350 degrees, y'all, 15 minutes. But while they baking, we're going to make a quick glaze for this also, y'all. Quick glaze for them is going to go on top and make them even more better when they come out the oven. So anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, we're going to make a little glaze here. Put a little vanilla in here. I got a little powdered sugar. Put a little vanilla. We're going to put a little milk in here. Y'all know a little goes a long way here. A little goes a long way. Let me get me a cap here. A little cap full here. Y'all know it don't take much on this. On this powdered sugar and milk. And my Danish is almost ready. And we get them out, we're going to let them cool just a little. Then we're going to put the, I might have put too much, y'all. I think that's it. A little bit more, y'all. You can make this as thick as thin as you want it. Thick and thin as you want it, y'all. I want mine thin where I can kind of get my whisk and kind of drizzle over them. A little bit more, y'all. A little bit, one little more drop. There we go. There we go. We'll be back once the Danish come out the oven. We'll let them cool, and then we'll put the drizzle on it, and then we'll do our taste test, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back. The Danish is out of the oven. It is ready, y'all. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to let them cool here about 10 or 15 minutes. Then we're going to try to see this nice glaze here. We're going to glaze it all over the top, y'all. And that's going to take, because I don't have a lot of sugar in the cream cheese. That's why I specifically didn't put a lot of sugar in it, because I knew I was going to glaze it as well. So we're going to let these sit up. About 10, they're going to sink down just a little. And you'll see how they really look like those Danish you get in the vending machine. These things are to die for, y'all. Yes, I can eat 3 of them. I know Kenneth probably could eat 8 of them. But I can eat 3 of them, no problem, y'all. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, y'all. Let me put a little bit more Got this thing gonna sit up there and put a little water in here, y'all. Thin this out just a little. My glaze, you know, it sits up. You know, get thick on here. Okay. All I'm gonna do, y'all, just gonna put a little glaze on, just like that. See that? See that? Just like you get them in the vending machine, right? Just like you get them in the vending machine, y'all. Back in the day. I don't know if they still have them in the vending machines or not. There we go. Like I said, that's why I didn't put a lot of sugar in the filling, y'all, because I knew I was going to kind of, you know, put that little glaze on them like that. All right, y'all. We're going to step off here and do that world famous YouTube thumbnail. And we'll be back and take one for the team here. And I got to prove to y'all how good these is. Old school cheese Danish, y'all. We'll be right back. All right, y'all. We are back here. Look at this, y'all. Look at that. Goodness there. Like I said, I make these all the time, y'all. And it takes so easy. You can get up early in the morning, get these done. 20 minutes, you got them done beginning to end. You know, it took me long because I had to do a video. If I'm doing it the regular way, y'all, it don't take long at all. Okay, let me get one off here. Let me get that right there. That right there for that there. That one right there for that there. Got that nice glaze on there, that cream cheese. See how it's spread out? That's why you don't want to put too much cream cheese on it. So anyway, enough talking. Got that beautiful golden brown color under the bottom. Going in. Y'all, literally, it's like a fresh made donut. A fresh made donut. That's literally what it tastes like. Look at that. Going in again. Like I said, you literally, I can say I eat 3 of these. Judge me not, y'all. The Bible says, judge ye not. Don't be judging me. Wow. Nothing better than cheese Danish, fresh made out the oven, still warm. You can take that lemon coming through with the cream cheese. Another thing y'all can do with the cream cheese, instead of lemon zest, put you some orange zest in it. Oh wow. I just didn't have no orange on hand. I'll put some orange zest in there. It takes it to the next level also. So, a little quick video for y'all. But anyway, let me close this video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Pinterest, TikTok, oldschoolsoulfood.com. I'm in hashtag 2025. It's great to be alive. It's even better to be living old school soul food. Till next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.